Can you imagine an entire brake line kit for the Fox Body Mustang in drag car stance in one bag? Well, here it is.
I did a Google search for Fox Body brake lines, and I was hoping it would be the company we got from the OBS, because that was a disaster. That kit was a horrible kit. And so I came across finishing lines. They had a complete kit for the Fox Body and a drag racing setup. Like, holy crap. So I messaged the guy. He messaged me right away saying, yeah, he had them, and they make custom colors. So silver lines, black lines, teal fittings, or red, green, blue, whatever. And he's like, yeah, I've got a spot open tomorrow. So if you want to order the kit, order it and I'll make it. So he custom made it for us. One day, shipped out the next day. And we have a complete kit. So we're going to see if this really works.
Yo, this kit comes with everything. All the hardware, the T-fittings, the banjo bolts, everything's pre-bent. It's got a proportioning valve in it. But we're going to go ahead and start putting this thing on. Now, while you don't have to pull your fenders and front end and nose off to put these on, we're going to go ahead and pull the nose and stuff off of this car so that way you can see us install these lines better.
There we go. Let's run the lines to the calipers and then run.
Have to go down the side of the car. Yeah, definitely gonna have to go down the side. So now that we got the old lines off the car, it's time to install the new ones. So there you go. We've got it from the back of the car to the front of the car. We're going to worry about tidying this up a little bit later and getting it mounted, but it's installed. We'll get everything tightened up here in a little bit. was a short bed single cab
93.
for a 90s model.
Hell
yes,
yeah.
we'd be on it.
Oh yeah. It's a short bed.
Square body though.
Yeah, square body frame.
I don't know anybody. I call Rusty. He may.
Yeah. Sure. I know a lot of people that want these short beds.
Oh yeah.
Oh, it'll sell. I mean,
Yeah.
it'll sell because somebody wants it from a long bed to a short bed. So,
We just ain't got no interest in it.
yeah, if it was the early 90s, I'd be on it. Take it right now.
If it what?
Early 90s,
Oh yeah. Don't fuck around. I might have one of them too.
it don't matter. Find it because I need to. We're gonna take the
frame.
we're gonna take the
Two-wheel
OBS
drive.
and change the frame out and powder coat that frame. But I want to do a like body swap into a new frame, so we need to do suspension on it.
Okay. Well, let me do some searching around. I'll let you know.
Thank you.
All right.
Yes, sir.
So we can keep running brake lines.
I can't.
All right.
I can't get that
Later.
thing started yet. It's the only bad part. All the teal fittings, you don't really see them. But when you do, it's kind of like, hey, that's cool. Little hidden treasure there. Hidden. A hidden gem. Yeah, I said it. A hidden gem.
Line kit in a bag was a cinch to install. Those dudes over at Finishing Lines got us taken care of with a full Fox Body race kit. We got to go back and tidy a few things up, add some rubber clamps, some hose clamps on the side of the frame, but not too bad. About 45-minute install, end to end, it's sealed up, ready to go.